In this problem, we need to navigate to the given directory. Let's open the shell which is available with the website. Fill username and password and press enter. Let's navigate to the directory provided in the problem statement. Use ls to check for directories and files available in the present directory. Let's open the run file using the following command. And this is the flag we were looking for. Don't forget to like and subscribe.